Hey YouTube, Aiden Zerbo here. So this is my dog Lyla, and she's licking her baby. You licking her baby.
Oh, that's your baby.
Lylu. Licking your toys, aren't you, pal?
She's eating super chicken.
Eating the super chicken. She looks like Big Bird from Sesame Street. Everybody, if you're watching this, this is going on YouTube.
Yeah, it would.
Lylu.
Needs a little more garlic. It's too sweet. You think it's too sweet?
Lyla,
Yeah,
you're such a smart dog, aren't you, pal? You like licking your toys.
I didn't have any salt. That's probably what it is, because I should have added a little more seasoned salt.
Helicopters.
3 teaspoons of sugar, half a cup red
You want a
wine,
pet?
half a cup oil.
Nah. Don't growl at me. Knock it off.
But the other thing that's not as oily as the one in the restaurant. Huh?
I probably added too much cabbage to the recipe. Like, I just used the whole head.
I think it's lovely.
La.
Is that good?
I think it's sweeter, kind of.
It's muffled.
Mafarudu. You want a pet? You want to be a good girl? La. Hey, knock it off.
Did she get you?
Yeah.
She swing at you?
You put the phone in her face. What did you expect?
There you go.
I don't know. Lylu.
I'd move you away if you stuck a phone in my face, too.
Oh my god. Lylu.
She's insane. She's insane, Aiden.
Here's my Carl's Jr. commercial.
Ooh. Oh, they have the ghost burger now.
I want to try it.
Oh.
Too soon.
Anyways, Lyla, I'm signing out right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, click the bell, comment, and share. Hope you have a great day. Bye.